Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good afternoon, guys. On this video, let me summarize some important points related with our exam. Let me start from the first one. Network basic involve connection with other devices like computer and phones too. That's mean the purpose. To what? Share, transmit what you should know. Information and resources. I'm talking now about the theoretical side. The purpose of using something to manage the communication that's related with network types. What is like your fingerprint in your PC? What is the full name, the full text of IP? Network are categorized by or according to something of the area. According it, we divided the network types. What is one of the network structure ranges? A small network like in a building or a small office is what its name. Network for Baghdad or any city is belong to which area? Network for banking networks that link ATMs and branches across different cities and countries is one something. All of these few previous information related with network types belong to wireless network connections. What is here belong to wireless network connections? WLAN, wireless local area network that uses what to connect devices and allow them to communicate without cables. The technology behind wireless LAN area network is what is the main technology of this network type instead of physical cables. Sends data to the right place based on IP address. What is send the data in the network depending on IP? Router sends data to the right place based on IP address. Router sends data based on here the same statement. I can produce from it 2 points. Okay, you can benefit from this way. Router connects something networks like your home page and controls traffic. Is a simple physical connectivity device that connect cables for long distance. What we are using in physical thing to benefit from long distance. You should know. Hub is a simple physical connectivity device that connects cable for what? Data and transmit. By using something, we can join multiple devices on this same LAN. Hub, switch, bridge, you should know. What is the smart hub? You should know. Switch is something network bridge. Instead of sending data to every device, we can use something to figure out where the data will go. You should know the name of it. Acts as a bridge between different types of network. What this is? IP acts as a bridge between the types of network. Here something allows wireless devices to connect to an Ethernet LAN or WLAN. What this is here is network node that connects systems that use different protocols. What we use to or between different protocols. Gateway is used in something networks. You should know it's related with gateway. Is a device or software something component that connects two or more network segments. What is the thing to connect between two or more network segments? You should know it. Networking bridge is a device or software component that connects what same different another type of network. You should know. The primary function of a network bridge is to between specific segments. Here, with a question like that, one of the features of network is I can or you can write one of the networking features here, okay? Maybe we have four, okay? By that, you can write any one from these four features. Or I can give you another question created from this statement. One of, I can give you multiple choices and I will write what is the one of them doesn't belong to the features of network. That's mean you will leave all the options related with features and you will write the strange one or the one outside from these features. It goes like that. Hardware includes physical devices like an example of hardware. Software doesn't include what? That's mean if you have multiple choices, these choices will be some software kinds, and one of them it doesn't include two software examples. By that you can choose it. Firewall software is what? To delete, to protect, to send, to transmit. You should know. Software protocols are the what that govern how devices communicate. Network protocols used to what? Software that provides function to users on the network, such as what? Firewall software is based on what? To protect against unauthorized access. NIC has an ability to what? The main purpose to this part is to what? Network management software is used to manage the network and what? Another function of the network management software. Network threats are any potential what to a network? Network threats duty is not to gain. That's mean if you have multiple choices, you will see some duties of network threats, and one of them will be doesn't belong to them. You should choose it. Or let me say, you should know all the network duties. By that, you will note which one doesn't belong to them. Common threat example is what is the common example about network threats? Phishing is to trick users into revealing sensitive information such as what? Through fraudulent communications. Unauthorized access attacks is gaining access to systems or data something. You should know what is the unauthorized access. Unauthorized access attacks can be done through techniques like exploiting what important information they are using to unauthorized access. You should know it. Unauthorized access attacks can be done through techniques like we have another techniques. That's mean you can write any one of them. We have two. That means insider threats, attacks that originate from within the organization. What action by employees? Some actions will happen from the employees. Traits understanding is crucial for implementing effective security measures to protect against what damage. Network troubleshooting is the systematic process of what that's related with troubleshooting, meaning process of something problems in a computer network is not of network troubleshooting examples. That means if you have multiple choices, you'll see some troubleshooting examples, and one of them will be doesn't belong to them. Something testing potential cases to restore network functionality. Troubleshooting gather information is clearly what the problem, how we'll deal with the problem. Track root troubleshooting, you should know what that means, is the path that it takes from to, I don't know, the source, and the same thing to or from the destination. IP config shows the network configuration of a device, including what address. What is not one of the network troubleshooting important? That's mean you will see some the electric turns off. Is not one of the network troubleshooting importance. That means you will see some troubleshooting importance, and which or you should know all the troubleshooting importance to can choose or write one doesn't belong to the troubleshooting importance. Is not one of the technical defenses. That means you should know all the technical defenses. One of the technical defenses is keep your software and operating systems what? What about phishing? Social engineering is one of the implement technical defenses. What about educating is one of the implement technical defense. Give users only the access they need to perform their job to what? Potential damage, increase, decrease, uh, doesn't matter with the statement what? From a compromised account. Subtem networks is a model where what are seen as a network of interacting systems. Now let's talk about the lab. We have just important 14 points. Let's start from the first one. To reveal the IP from PC. We will start from what? To reveal IP from your PC. The best keyboard practice program is its name what? The something files will be with no change after transmission. What Word, PPT, Excel, PDF, what will be without any change. The best site to reliable written information is what? When you want some reliable information with the clear sources. you should go to something site from Google and research. Academic font is what? From Word, Insert, Layout, Home, Tools of Word, we can change the font color. From what we can increase or decrease the distance between the lines. How we can create C to sub 2 up to like that, from which button. From which button we can write the 2 to be the atomic number like that, from which bottom, from the word, from whom word page, to write words with the same size but bigger, which bottom you should pass to vanish all the changes. We have specific button to equalize the distance right and left. We will use specific button in the Word homepage. To capitalize all the letters, we will use what? To change the angle of the word, we will use, that's mean to make it be a little bit from left or right. We will use specific button related with Office homepage. That's it. That's all I have today. Work hard, struggle, do your best, pass the exam.